Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? Okay, it's me, Iqbal, your maths teacher. Today I am going to teach you highest common factor. Highest common factor, that's HCF. Okay, this from our seventh chapter, Inside Numbers. Okay, let's start. At first, okay, listen carefully. Highest common factor. Then at first we have to study what is highest common factor. What is HCF? In our previous class we studied factors of numbers. How can find the factors of number? At first remember that one. How can find the factors of a number? Here we are going to study highest common factor. For finding common factor, question will be like this way. Example 1. Find the highest common factor of, that is HCF of 28 and 20. Two number will give to you, two or more number will give to you. Here in this question we have to find highest common factor of 28 and 20. Here numbers are 28 and 20. At first we have to write the factors of 28. Factors of 28. Then how can write the factors of 28 that we studied in our previous class? Okay, let's do that. First, which into which number is equal to 28? We have to find that. I am writing. You may write 1 into 28 is equal to 28. Then any other. Okay. 2 into 14 is equal to 28. Then 3 into, no, 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Okay. Then is there any other? No. 5 into any number is 28? No. 6 into any number is 28? No. 7, that I already wrote here. So 1 into 28 is equal to 28. 2 into 14 is equal to 28. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Okay. Then the factors are, which are the number? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28 that we stated. I am writing the factors of 28, 1, comma, then this one 2, then 4, then this 7, then this 14, then the last one, this 28. These are the factors of 28. Okay, now we want to write the factors of 20. Factors of 20, the second number. I am writing factors of 20. So which into which number is 20? At first 1 into 20 is equal to 20. Then 2 into any number is 20? Yes, 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Then 3 into any number is 20? Now in 3's multiplication, in 3's multiples there is no 20. 4 into any number is 20? Yes, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Then 5 into, that's already we wrote, 5 into 4 and 4 into 5, that is equal to 20. Then 6 into any number? No. 7 into any number? No. 8 into any number is 20? No. In 8's table there is no 20. Okay, this much only. So which are the factors of 20? Here you may know 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. These are the factors of 20. I am writing 1, which is next 2, then 4, then 5, then 10, next 20. These are the factors of 20. Now we want to write next step. What is the common factors of this number? Common factors. Which are the common factors here? I am writing common factors. Which are the common factors here? 1 is here and here also. So I am giving a circle here, putting a circle here 1. Then is the 2 and here also 2. So circle here and here also make circle. Then 4 and here also 4. Okay. Then 7, there is no 7. So let's avoid that. 14, there is no 14. 28, there is no 28. Okay. Then the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. Next we want to write highest common factor. Which is the highest number among these? Which is the highest number among these? That is 4. So highest common factor, that's HCF. HCF. Which is the HCF? That is this 4. Okay. This way you can find the highest common factor of any two numbers or any three numbers. Okay, one more example let's do. That is this one. Second example 2. Question: find the highest common factor of, that's HCF of 32 and 40. Here we want to find the highest common factor of 32 and 40. Step 1, write the factors of 32. We know 1 into 32 is equal to 32 and 2 into 16 is equal to 32. Then 3 into, no, 4 into any number, yes, 4 into 8 is equal to 32. Then 5 into, no, 6, no, 7. So this much only. At first we want to write like this. Then which are the factors of 32? That is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. These are the factors of 32. I am writing 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Then next we want to write the factors of 40, the second number. Factors of 40. Then 40, how can I write? Which into which number is 40? At first let's write 1 into 40 is equal to 40. Then 2 into 20 is equal to 40. Then 3 into, no, 3 is multiple, there is no 40. Then 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Okay. Then 5 into any number? Yes, 5 into 8 is equal to 40. Then 6 into, no, this much only. So which are the factors of 40? That is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. These are the factors of 40. I am writing here 1, then 2, then 4, next 5, say, look and say 8, next this one 10, next this 20 and last this 40. Okay, these are the factors of 40. Now let's go to the next step, common factors. Which are the common factors? Let's circle that. 1 is here and here, so you may circle 1. Okay, here also make a circle. And 2 is common here and here also there, so 2 and here also 2. Then what about 4? Yes, 4 and here also 4. Then what about 8? Yes, 8, here is 8. Okay, 5 is not there, so here is 8. Then what about 16? 16 is not here. 32 is also not here. So these are the common factors, that is 1, 2, 4 and 8. 1, 2, 4 and last 8. Then last step, highest common factor. Highest common factor, that is HCF. Short form HCF, highest common factor. Which is the highest number in this, among this? That's 8. 8 is the highest common factor of 32 and 40. Okay, let's wind up now.